snap and it lights. Open. It's the pants strike. Super easy to do, and you can do it with any Zippo lighter. So when you first get the lighter, the only real preparation you have to do is to find the wick right here in the middle, and you're gonna bend it down just like that so that the wick is kind of sideways and bent over. Now what this is gonna do when you light the lighter, it's gonna create the So all you're gonna do here is take these two fingers, the middle and the forefinger, they're gonna go on top of the lighter just like this. The thumb is going to go on the bottom. You're going to apply pressure as if you're trying to bring these fingers together, and you're going to let these top fingers slide off first, which is just going to pop the lid open like that, and it's gonna end with you holding the lighter just like this, sandwiched between the fingers. So from a side, it is like that. And I'll show you one more time here in slow motion. This is called the Snap Start. It's a fun, flourishy little way to light your lighter, and it was made famous by the movie Reservoir Dogs. Take the lighter, hold it at your fingertips, snap, and it lights. This one's kind of self-explanatory. The motion to light the Zippo is obviously a downward motion on this little wheel right here to strike the flint and ignite the flame. So what we're going to do is actually use the motion of our middle finger in the process of a snap. You can see the finger coming down like this is going to then strike the wheel of the lighter. Now you won't always get it on the first try. Sometimes you might snap a couple times and miss it. And that's totally normal. Just keep practicing. This is the Snap Start. Okay, here's a really cool way to open your Zippo. This is called the Pants Strike. 1, 2, 3, the quickest way to light your lighter. Now this one is very easy to do and also kind of self-explanatory. You're going to take the lighter and you're going to hold it against the side of your pants. It's kind of like a quick draw thing. You can pull it right out of your pocket. You open it against the pants, using your pants to press backwards against the top of the lighter just like that. So as you pull back, it's going to open it up like this. Then you're immediately going to start rolling it forward, which is going to engage the strike wheel. And as you can see, the lighter will light just like that. So I'll show you in slow motion. It goes back, the lid opens, and then you slide it forward to engage the strike wheel, and as it rolls, it lights the light. It's extremely close up, so you get one more take of it before you make your guess. The lighter just opens by itself, look. So you can do this slow, like you just saw me do, where it kind of looks like someone's just pulling it up slowly and then it pops open. Or if you want it to pop open faster, okay, here is how it's done. I'm gonna reveal the secret to you now. Check this out. I have a little wire running right out of the back of the lighter, and it is attached around my body. I'm gonna show you how we set this up right now. You're gonna start with some 24 gauge wire. This is available at most any hardware store. You could also use the wire from a picture frame or perhaps a piece of thick fishing line. So you're gonna take a length about 2 to 3 feet long. It needs to be long enough to wrap around your torso. You're also going to need some wire snips or some scissors, and you're gonna clip off your section of wire just like that. Now our next step is to attach this end of the wire to the lighter, and we're going to do it through a specific part of the lighter. You're going to open it up and it's going to go through this hole right here and just push it right up through. Now our next step is to bend the end of this. Just want to bend it over a couple times like this to create an anchor so that it will not pull through the hole. Once you have it anchored, in place, you're then going to close up the top of the lighter like this, and now we're going to attach the other end to our body. You're going to wrap around and then anchor it in place just like this. So now that I have this jacket on, you can see it is hidden quite nicely by the jacket, and if we hold it out in front just like this, our secret apparatus should be invisible to the audience. So we have to maintain this angle. Then all you have to do is put pressure forward, meaning put some tension on this wire like this, and the tension you put on the wire will cause the lighter to open, creating the illusion that you have just magically opened it with your mind, or it's somehow opening on its own. So the key is to remember that it's very angle sensitive. You don't want to move it like this or too far down or too far up because you'll expose the gimmick. And then all you have to do to deploy it, you can add a little bit of acting like you're using your mind power to make it open. You can do it slow. So try this one out at home, be safe, have fun, and let me know if you fool anyone with it.